What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about all the lights that I use in the studio when it comes to content creation and filming. So I'm currently packing for DreamHack Atlanta right now, so I figured I might as well go ahead and make a video to show you guys what I use in the studio. So as you can see, the first light source right now I'm using is the actual natural light coming out the window. Psych, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna talk about a light, but that light source, of course, is one that you can use if you need to. But let's go ahead and head over to the main rig. This is the Amaran 60XS. So with the Amaran 60XS, I paired it with the Light Dome Mini 2. So this light dome comes with, of course, the main soft block feature inside as well as the grid. Now with the grid is used to focus on a particular subject, and without the grid you have a nice diffuse light on whatever subject you're shooting. So this is ideal for anyone trying to do product photography or talking headshots like I do. Now along with this setup, we have, of course, the water that's needed to be on a C-stand. So of course, if you have a C-stand, you have to make sure that you're operating it correctly, making sure that your equipment doesn't tip over, destroy itself, or you. This is, of course, my main source when it comes to lighting in the studio. Along with that, we have over here the nano leaf lines. All right, now with the nano leaf lines, you can control it via the app. You control, of course, turning on the power. Then you can go ahead and control different color hues, color temperatures. Oh, what's going on with that one? Oh, that one is buggy. So I'm happy that this happened while I'm recording. So sometimes the nano leaf lines, the connectors, you need to go ahead and unplug them and plug them back to make sure that this doesn't happen. So let's keep that in mind with your nano leaf lines. Sometimes you have to go ahead and troubleshoot it and secure it to make sure those little buggy sections doesn't happen quite often. Okay, so this is like the third time this has happened in the 2 or 3 months that I had the nano leaf lines. So just keep that in mind when you get in these lines. Just make sure you connect them, troubleshoot them just in case that happens, or to prevent that from happening. But like I was saying, if I need to go ahead and have extra light spilling over to, let's say, this setup right here, I can go ahead, switch it back to the white light of 56 Kelvin, 5600 Kelvin, and then I can just increase the brightness if need be. So this section is gonna be nicely softly lit coming onto the subject or the product that I'm shooting, and it works just fine in that use case. But I need to go ahead and fix that. So yeah, and nano leaf lines, nano leaf, hey, hook your boy up. All right, on to the next light source that we have here. That's gonna bother me. Now the next light source we have here is the Elgato key light. Of course, you guys seen all these lights in my previous videos, and you pretty much have a gist of what they do. But if I'm going ahead and shooting this talking headshot from this angle, I would usually have this Elgato key light lighting the source if I don't have this light at a 45-degree angle lighting me. So with this one, I can control the angle it pivots. If I'm going ahead and shoot on that pegboard right there, I will usually turn this light towards that so I can go ahead and have it evenly lit, or turning it this way if I need to have an extra light source on me. With this mount that is on, it can go up or down if need be. I'm not gonna do it now because I don't want to mess up my setup, but you guys, get the gist. So aside from these three main light sources we have my boy, my baby over here. This is the Aputure MC. Boom! This bad boy here, I can have it to the side of me. Hold on. Well, I'm at wide angle, so you're not gonna be able to work, but I can have it like this, looking very mysterious. Anyways, this is the Aputure MC. You guys see me made a lot of videos about this. This is handy when it comes to product photography or regular video shoots. If I don't have a light source nearby, I will usually put this on the side of the couch right there, and let's have this side of me lit. So yeah, it works well. You have different color modes. You have different patterns you can use: lightning, pulse, police, campfire. This light is very versatile. It charges pretty quickly, and the back of the MC is magnetic. So you can go ahead and, where is that? Before I had this light, I would usually put my Aputure MC on to this doorknob, well, to that hinge right there. So I usually have that here, have it to the brightest setting, and then it's gonna be letting me when I used to be here without this setup being here. So that thing is very versatile. I love it. This is one of my favorite lights that I use. So aside from that, we have natural light, we have the Amaran 60XS, we have the nano leaf lines, as well as the Elgato key light. So These are my main light sources that I use when it comes to lighting up the studio, lighting up the products that I use or the products that I shoot, lighting up myself as a subject when it comes to, you know, creating a talking headshot or my regular filming on this channel. So if you guys like any of the gear that I use, it's gonna be linked down in the description. Make sure you guys go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to know the next time we go live. Next time I post a video. Of course, guys, don't forget, until next time, guys. Peace. How many times did I say guys in this video? Anyways, see you guys in the next one. Peace.